Okay, so welcome to Quick Calculus, and in this video we'll be getting an example on how do we check for discontinuities. No? So here we have the function absolute value of x plus 3 for all values of x less than -2, square root of 4 minus x squared for values -2 to 2, and 5x squared minus 45 over 9 minus x squared for all values greater than 2. No? So in this video, di-discuss natin yung continuity at -2, 2, and 3. No? So, and kung discontinuous siya, we will check kung anong klaseng discontinuity pa siya. Okay? So let's start with -2. So at x equals -2, so check natin yung limit from the left side and the right side. So limit as x approaches -2 minus ng absolute value of x plus 3. And pag nag-plug in tayo ng any value dyan, -2 minus, then that is will be equal to 1, no? Kasi this will be -2.1 plus 3. Okay? And then let's check from the right side. So limit as x approaches 2 plus -2 plus ng square root ng 4 minus x squared. So this will become just 0. Okay, so plinagin natin yung 2 plus dyan, this will become 0. So since we have the limit from the left side to be equal to 1 and the limit from the right side to be equal to 0, then we have a jump discontinuity at x equals -2. Okay? So check naman natin ngayon at x equals 2. So we have the limit as x approaches 2 minus ng square root ng 4 minus x squared. So this is again equal to 0. Tama? And the limit as x approaches 2 plus ng 5x squared minus 45 all over 9 minus x squared is equal to, plug in lang natin yung value. Tama? Kasi hindi naman nag-0 yung denominator. So this will be equal to -5. Okay? So meaning we have again a jump discontinuity at x is equal to 2. Okay? So how about at x is equal to 3? So let's try that. So at x is equal to 3, check natin, no? So the limit as x approaches 3. So in this case, hindi na natin kailangan na mag-check kung 3 minus or 3 plus kasi same lang naman yung function na gagamitin natin, which is just 5x squared minus 45 over 9 minus x squared. Okay? And kapag ka-factor natin to, we can remove -5 and magiging 9 minus x squared over 9 minus x squared ito. And magka-cancel na lang to. And this is equal to just 5. No? -5. Okay? And let's check at f of 3. This denominator will become 0. No? So 5 times 3 squared minus 45 over 9 minus 3 squared. So this is undefined. Okay? So now we have a limit, pero we have an undefined function at f of 3. So meaning we have a removable discontinuity at x equals 3. Okay? So we check the continuities at x is equal to -2, 2, and 3. And we also classified the type of discontinuity. So see you in the next video.